What's going on, everyone? Just a quick video for those of you who purchased a Fire TV Cube to use outside the United States, and when you ask it for weather information, it displays the wrong stuff and even the wrong time, as you can see here. This is simply due to the Cube being initially released in the States with no release date elsewhere. I'm going to show you how to fix that very easily. Before we get started, if we try to change the time zone in the settings, we can see we are very limited to the ones the software offers. Trying to type another zip code like this one, for example, will usually cause errors, like zip code modification failed. So here's what to do. Simply download the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone and head into the settings. Select your device and scroll down to device location. Here you want to change the country first of all. And you want to head down to zip code and type in the correct zip code for your location. Save the changes and it's going to tell you something about the alarms being messed up. So make sure if you have alarms, you make sure to check those. But as you can see, it will automatically change device time zone. And within a few seconds, the settings will take effect on your device. So let's go into the preferences again and see those now. There we go, we have the new location, and if we go into time zone, we can see the new time zone. Just be careful not to change it, otherwise you'll need to go back into the app. But now when we ask for weather, we have the correct information. Side note, I don't actually live in Spain, this was just an example. We can see the time also works, and that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do to fix time issues and weather issues on your Fire TV Cube. If you are using it outside of the United States. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and share with your Fire TV Cube friends. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.